Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best miter saws for table saw combos that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the POWERTEC Universal Table Saw Miter Gauge. For woodworkers seeking precision and versatility, the POWERTEC Universal Table Saw Miter Gauge 71142 delivers professional-grade accuracy with its 27 locking stops at 5-degree increments. You'll get a full 180-degree range with plus or minus 60 degrees for miter cuts. The laser-cut aluminum construction fits most standard 3/4x3/8 miter slots, while adjustable expansion discs eliminate side play. At just 2.58 pounds, it's lightweight yet durable. With high user ratings and proven performance across table saws, band saws, and router tables, it's a solid upgrade from standard miter gauges for both DIY and professional projects. Moving on at number 4, we have the POWERTEC 71391 Precision Miter Gauge System. Woodworkers seeking high precision cuts will appreciate the POWERTEC 71391's extensive miter gauge system. You'll find 27 angle indexing stops with 1-degree spacing and positive stops at common angles like 0 degree, 22 degree, and 45 degrees. The 24-inch anodized aluminum fence features a laser-engraved scale and universal T-track design. The system's flip stop works on both sides of the blade, letting you make consistent cuts with tool-less adjustments. 4 expansion discs eliminate side play, while the removable T-slot plate fits standard 3/4x3/8 miter slots. At just 5.7 pounds, this durable laser-cut aluminum gauge delivers professional results without breaking the bank. At number 3, we have the DuBois 51007 Table Saw Miter Gauge Fence System. The DuBois 51007 Table Saw Miter Gauge Fence System excels at precision cutting with its 13 distinct angle stops and customizable settings. You'll find a protractor-style miter head with spring-loaded pins that lock firmly at angles from 0 to 90 degrees, including common stops at 22.5, 30, 45, 60, and 67.5 degrees. The system's 2-1/4 flip stop guarantees consistent cutting lengths, while its aluminum construction provides durability without excess weight. You can easily mount this gauge in standard 3/4x3/8 miter slots, and it's compatible with various T-track accessories. The adjustment screw lets you perfectly align the fence for perpendicular cuts. At number 2, we have the Kreg Precision Miter Gauge System. Delivering precise angled cuts within 1/10 of a degree, the Kreg KMS 7102 Precision Miter Gauge System stands out as an ideal choice for detail-oriented craftspeople who won't settle for mediocrity. You'll appreciate its factory calibration and minimal setup requirements, along with 5 positive stops and a vernier scale for ultra-fine adjustments. The anodized aluminum fence and high-speed steel blade, paired with the patented swing stop, let you make repeatable cuts with confidence. While some users note concerns about part durability, the system's 4.4-star rating from nearly 1,000 reviews confirms its reliability for both crosscuts and angled work. And finally, at number 1, we have the Table Saw Miter Gauge Works. For precision-focused craftsmen seeking versatile cutting solutions, JCF&TS's aluminum alloy miter gauge stands out with its 120 positive stop holes and 27 angle stops in 5-degree increments. You'll appreciate the friction-resistant laser marking technology and metric scale fence that guarantees accurate cuts. While you won't find instructions in the box, you can easily mount this gauge in standard 3/4x3/8 miter slots. The adjustable flip stop adds convenience, and its offset mounting track works with both T-slotted and non-T-slotted miter slots. Despite some reported stability issues, you'll find this gauge delivers solid performance across table saws, band saws, and router tables. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.